Politricks, but this is P. Now, this won't be a very long video because it's basically, what I call this now. You know, like in the movies, you have, you know, like a preview as to what to come. Basically, what this video is about. Mainly surrounding Nigel. Right? You may know him as Augustone 876. Before I'm going to that, for a Patreon birthday shout out, this one goes out to Doreen Hewitt. Right, Doreen, big up yourself. Real big woman. Always link up. Always a reason. Right? Link up on Father's Day. And say, look, YouTuber, don't forget. So, we're there. Doreen, hope you enjoy yourself. Right? You know, say, right, today I great things in Nigeria too. You don't want me swagger happen this Sunday. Live long and prosper, Steen. Thanks for the continued support. Whole Patreon squad, big up on yourself. I'm going to drop, right, something on Patreon, giving you even more details than this video as to what is coming. I'm talking about Nigel. This Sunday, June 25th, will be Nigel's quote-unquote funeral. It's a quote-unquote because it won't be a real funeral. Right? It's going to be an online funeral. Right? Because of security issues, you won't even be able to get a proper burial. People who are responsible for Nigel's death are the exact same people who were telling him from day one. The quote-unquote investigators them know this. Remember, Nigel lost his life in the Red Pan era, even though we don't know him as an Augustone youth. Right? St. Catherine, him lose his life. So then I'm gonna make you know, oh, your favorite, you know, squad of them had the opportunity to catch the man them responsible, right, for killing Nigel. Not just the shooter, but even the man them who funded it. Why the man them even drop an Iron Man, go party. When me hear the operation is about to happen, people tell me, say, don't worry, man, we'll get him. Just give it a good time, give it a good time. Give him too much time. As usual, screwed up big time. Catch everybody except who them to catch. Now, the man them know, so there are certain people and now show them case again. And me say, them know the shooter, them even know who funded it, right? Who run the money, who run the program. And me say, they made the man even drop an Iron Man party and gone back. Let them take Nigel thing for a joke. Look like the whole thing specialized in is giving statements in a newspaper. Right? See, the head of St. Catherine, this and that, gonna give statement in a gleaner. So this Sunday everything changes. I was waiting for Nigel, right, officially get a send off from started. Before I go second gear. This Sunday, early in the morning, video go drop, giving you the details on how you can tune in to Nigel's, let me say, quote-unquote funeral. But then after that, there'll be a second video. And that is when things are going to start. You see, come under the papers, say, the Klansman sentencing postponed to September 20, some other, to film business. Playtime done. Tune in Sunday. We're moving to second gear. As to the people who are responsible for Nigel's death and their associates, including some of them only see a laugh and give us something for laugh about Sunday, see? But I take this thing to a whole new level. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life, Vulture squad, stay circling, bless.